Hey, once again, what's up guys, CK Focus here. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to play classic PlayStation 1 game Pepsi Man, and more PlayStation games emulator fully worked on iPhone, iPad, iPod touch device. So all you need is an iOS device, computer and a Wi-Fi connection for import some files. So follow my steps as I do. So now let's get started. Okay guys, follow me step by step, don't skip the video. First we have to install the TweakBox apps. You can see on my home screen. First open Safari browser and install the TweakBox. You can see here, the link is also in the check it out and install the app. And once you install the app, open it. Here is my TweakBox. Go to app section, scroll down, TweakBox apps, scroll down, and you will see Provenance. Okay, this is the emulator which play PlayStation 1 games. Okay, so tap to install, then pop-up come your screen. Here's the pop-up, tap to install. Okay, so I already installed this one, so I'm gonna click on cancel, launch the application. Okay, so guys, you can see here's a blank area. Okay, so we're gonna drag import some files. So let's go ahead to the computer. Okay guys, so now we have to download 3 BIOS files and the game file. Okay, you can see here I already downloaded 3 BIOS file and this is the Pepsi Man game. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can get these files and game. Open your browser and go to this website Emu Paradise. Okay, so this website link into video description, go check it out. And once you are here, just click on here PSX mean PlayStation 1 games, click on it, scroll down. So guys, I'm looking for Pepsi Man and it start with the P letter. I just click on P letter and it will show all the P letter games start with. And here we go, where is Pepsi? So guys, you can see here is Pepsi Man. Okay, but you can download any game. Okay, so I just click on here. So guys, you can see number 6 download links, click on this one. So guys, you can see, and now you can see the game size is 126 MB. so just click on it here. Now you can see we are preparing your download. Scroll down, click on here, download Pepsi Man. Okay, so guys, you can see here the pop-up on your screen. So download the game. So I already downloaded the game, so I click on cancel. You can see here on my desktop screen. And now I'm gonna show you how you can get these BIOS files, which is very important. Okay, open your browser and download these files. I'm gonna show you. So guys, these 3 files very important at CPH 5500 0102. Okay, so link into video description, go check it out. And once you click on that link, it will bring you here. Just tap to download file. Okay, and once you download, paste it on your desktop screen. Okay, and now open your Provenance application on your iPhone device. Okay guys, so now open your Provenance application and click on the settings button, scroll down and click on import and export. Okay, so guys, this is our web server. You can see web UI link is 192.168.0.105. okay, so this one link we paste on our browser. So make sure guys, when you're doing this step, you are connected with the same Wi-Fi connection, and if you're using LAN cable, no problem, it will also work. Okay, so leave that open and go back your desktop screen. Okay, so I'm gonna back my desktop screen, open browser, new window, and we're gonna type this link. Okay, 192.168.0.106, sorry 5. Hit the enter, and now guys, we're gonna access in a Provenance. So guys, now we're gonna see here BIOS folder. Okay, so click on here and you will see com.provenance.psx folder. Okay, just tap on it one more time. Okay, so guys, if you can't find this folder, create a folder here in a BIOS. Okay, and create a folder and this text in video description, and name that folder is this one. Okay, this text in video description you can easily copy and paste it here, and then open this folder. And now I want you to copy your 3 BIOS files and drop it here. Perfect. Now guys, you can see here 3 BIOS files we're gonna import properly. And now I want you go back on your iPhone, and now I want you create one more folder. Just click on create folder, and the same text we're gonna paste it here, com.provenance.psx. I tell you one more time, the text is available in video description. You can easily and copy paste here, create a folder. So guys, you can see the folder is created. We're gonna click on folder, and now here we're gonna import our game file. Okay, this is my game file, and now we're gonna extract these files which any folder. Okay, so I already start my files on Pepsi folder, so I'm gonna copy that all files, drop it here, and now guys, you can see here the files is uploading. Okay, it will take 15 to 20 seconds to upload. Okay guys, so all files are uploaded properly. Okay, and our BIOS also uploaded properly, so we are all set. Okay, so wanna close the desktop window and go back your iPhone screen, and now we're gonna click on stop here, and now click on refresh game library. Click on yes to refresh the library, and now restart your app. Click on Provenance again and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay guys, so now you can see here the Pepsi Man is import properly. Okay, so I'm gonna click on to run the game. So guys, now you can see Pepsi Man is working properly. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Have a good day.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.